Hello everyone, I'm Minnie here. I'm back to show you another vintage fabric book that is another custom order kit. And yeah, you can see from the previous, the last video that I showed you, the vintage fabric book is a square. That I use the napkin is a square, and I fold it to make a page, but I don't have the square napkin anymore, so that I make a, you can see the shape is different. It's a you can see it's like a rectangle. The size is about 10.5 by 7.5 inch, so it's quite big size. But because of I don't have the napkin anymore, so I use later I will show you the page before I show you this. Okay, everything is the same for the binding here. Let me put this. Okay, everything is the same. You can see the binding is the crisscross with the lace, and the fabric book I sew it, and this one I print out from my computer, so all the edges is I already sew. Okay, and the page that I ordered, these images that I purchased from Etsy shop, I will pop a link below the description box. And something, almost the same, but just here is some different, so I stuff some fiber inside. Okay, and with the square I have one. This is the last page, one, the square doily that I made, and also with the tag that I hang here, print out on the fabric journal. Okay, and also make one big button, big clip, book clip here. Okay, and for the page, you can see the difference is I use this kind of the let me show you. This is the small, I think, this is the small size, but this one is bigger. I just fold. Oh no, this is the biggest size. So if you fold one like this to make a pocket is quite too big. So this one I will make another book and fold it together, so you have one pocket here, two pocket here. This maybe I will make another one, because I have this size and this one is different one. Just fold together and make a pocket, so you have the pocket here. And all this is the embroidery, you can see it's very beautiful. And the edges, everything is just screw, no sew on the pages. Okay, like so. And also print out the image, so you can alter the images here. And also I hang all this tag here. Okay, different tag, you got different wording, so you have here. And all the tag card, and I sewed with this hand dye lace fabric, and look, this color came out. This but I don't know how to call this green, but it's turned out beautiful. And I also make a book clip here. Okay, I cover with this here. So yeah, all this is the page. Later I will put it back. So different tag, different images, and different paper tag, cardstock here. I sew it like so. Okay, all together is 10 pages. here, here, book clip, and all different pattern. Okay. And this one also here. Another this, and the images are so different. And this one, let's show you all the cuts. The images, yeah, you can iron if wrinkle. Okay, and this is the last, so you can put the picture here or whatever. Okay, so all this is the cardstock, I mean the tag card. So you have 10, altogether is 10 pages. Okay, so this is the back, like so. So this is the book. Okay, and now I show you the items actually is almost the same, but anyway I show you one more time. Almost the same. So yeah, use this or this. Yeah, just some flower different because I didn't have anymore, so I mix other. And the earring also, the last two cases I used blue, but now what I have is a pink color, so I will change. And all the appliques here, and you can see sorry, I'm back. Yeah, my mom asked me something. This and every applique. Applique. This here. Logo. This you have two. Okay. And this one is the bow with the beads. You have 4 in this color and 4 in the dusty pink. So this is the applique, and because this one I didn't put together with this cost. The fabric broke is already 500 grams, so I will put all these 2 more paper crepe in here. So yeah, you have to put back in the page there, and all these different, the big flower, and you saw this to alter your the vintage lady, and yeah, your book. Yeah, just some of the big flowers are different. So, and one big tassel. Now this color flower. Yeah, and this one put together. And this one is the applique. Okay, and the laces also the same. All the same. To show you. laces also the same. I'm going to show you one more time. Okay, put on the tray. Yeah, here this hand dye, tea dye. This also is a hand dye color to match with the kit. Another green, also hand dye, violet lace. I make this one. This one you can use this for the bind, the hold the book together. Brochure, and this tassel, and all these bronze vintage gold color, and this one, and this one, and this one, and all this, and the green. And I hand dye this green, and one more this, and this, and also print this. So yeah, you can use this to cover, and also some doily. I also tea dye this one, and this fabric. And all this lace fabric, so you can cut it and make a pocket. And this one, and this green. Okay, and this one is the old, yeah, different color. You can see the green, because this one before that I tea dye the white color lace fabric, then I put in this and dye with this green. It came out like so. It's beautiful, and this beautiful lace ruffle, and this one. Okay, everything here is for this vintage book. So yeah, I really hope, yeah, who ordered this, receive this kit, will happy with everything that I included into the kit. And thank you for everyone for your support, yeah, who purchased the kit, and also who take the time to stop by and give me a big thumbs up, and also leave your comments. And yeah, I really appreciate each one. And yeah, I will come back to show you. Yeah, I haven't made, because I intend to make a Tilda team sewing machine kit. Yeah, but because yeah, I'm quite busy lately, so I still have no time to make it. But yeah, I already sewed the sewing machine in the white color. Okay, so yeah, I will make it, and I will show you the video when everything done. And yeah, show you the book again. This is the fabric book. It's quite big size, and I really hope you all like this, and thanks for your big thumbs up.